Are you engaged?
No, especially not with the bad luck my family suffers from.
I guess that makes sense. So many things are happening in this era. It must be hard to find a bride.
Kagome, I'd jump at the chance to marry you. Never mind. Forget that. It's nothing.
Here, have mine.
Thanks.
Let's rest a bit longer, then we'll head to the Furai Shrine and... Thinking about that for? Then again...
Demon blades can only be handled by demons or half-demons like me. Not by humans like you guys. Huh? Humans shouldn't get involved in things like this. You guys just don't understand. Humans shouldn't get involved in things like this.
Maybe there is a deep rift between demons and humans. One that's so big, it simply can't be crossed.